Horses out, you have a standby, your man best to begin in the middle, Angie Red, Janelle's episode, is shut up, then comes Be My Lover, and Unopposed, going along for the first turn, we have Janelle's episode, by Oraline Kanehapa, is Standby, your man in second, and in third, Shut Up, Angie Red alongside for 2 lengths for the back in fifth, Be My Lover, and Unopposed, they swing into the back, that's still Janelle's episode, by about 3 lengths. Stand by your man, Angie Red. Now trying to get closer in third. Moving up now to take second. Shut up in fourth. Then comes Unopposed. And Be My Lover. That's still Janelle's episode by only a length and a half. Angie Red now moving up on the outside second. Stand by your man in third. And moving up now is Unopposed to take fourth. Janelle's episode. Angie Red moving up on the outside to take the lead. It's now Angie Red. Janelle's episode is Stand By Your Man is running by the Unopposed in fourth. As they come down at the last 150. Angie Red takes the lead by the length. Stand By Your Man is running by the second. Janelle's episode. But it's still Angie Red by about 3 lengths. However, Stand By Your Man, and finally Angie Red. Stand By Your Man. Janelle's episode, Unopposed.
Mas magaling nga siya sa second.